We're about to go rent a quad bike and go around Malta and go to Gozo.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I've been waiting for this a lot.
We're gonna go walk down around the street, pick up the quad, shoot off all the way through Malta to Gozo, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Malta. It's 28th at 8:39, so we slept in a bit, but breakfast was good.
Well, the place didn't open till 8, so... this one's coming too?
Yeah, cute. Sorry, I can put that in my pocket.
No.
Alright, let's go. Hey do. Hey do.
Hey, door.
Hey do.
So we rented a quad and we're driving. It's quite windy. See you later.
Alright, so where are we?
We're somewhere in Malta,
We're somewhere in Malta.
on the way up to Gozo.
It's beautiful.
It's a bit hard on the quad.
It's very dangerous. I'm glad that no one saw us on this because it's dangerous as... yeah.
But he's the best driver.
We're going to go to Gozo now and get across and go and check everything out. So
Gozo should be smaller roads. It's just a little bit big
hopefully
road to
this
get
thing
up here.
this thing has a top speed of 49 and that's vibrating. So it's pretty yeah. But oh well, we'll do good. Are you having fun?
Yes.
As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. I love you.
Having fun.
Hey door.
Hey door. We're high up now. Doing so good.
Dodgy as hell.
It's a lot of hills.
It's dangerous.
But it's worth it. It's beautiful. It's the Red Tower. We're very close. You okay? Enjoying it. I don't have to drive right now.
Okay, so here we are at the ferry. We
Terminal here?
just drove here. It was sketchy as hell. Sarah had a great time.
Yep, I didn't drive.
Yeah.
I did math reading fairly good though.
She did amazing map reading, and now we're heading back. Oh, well, we're heading back. We're heading over to Gozo. I'm just a bit shooken up, but we're
And
having
you need
fun.
a bathroom.
I need a
The
bathroom.
vibration's killing you.
Oh yeah. We'll be there. We're doing well. We'll be there shortly. Malta. Woo!
Woohoo! So So we're just about to board the big ferry to Gozo.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going for a kiss.
Oh yes.
Hey door.
Hey då.
Here we are, close to Gozo.
Yep.
We're on the top deck, the sun deck they call it. It's pretty
Windy.
windy. They should call it the
We
windy
passed
deck.
Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, the Blue Lagoon's
It looks
over there.
very
It's
empty.
great. Last time we were there, at least it was warm. It's freezing. Sarah's having a great time.
Yeah, I haven't driven yet.
Yeah, maybe you can drive now.
Yeah.
It wasn't so crazy before.
Well, I
yeah.
will drive on Gozo.
Alright, I'm going to find shelter.
Yeah,
Come
let's
with me.
go and get shelter.
Hey door.
Beautiful. Let me take one picture before.
Alright, so we're in the hole. This is what it looks like. We're so close back.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
There you go. Do the driving in Gozo. There. And this is the restaurant up here.
So wow.
Yeah. You see the Blue Lagoon good from here?
Where's the actual restaurant?
I don't know. It says a little bit further, 90 meters down on the road here. And it says that they opened it. I think it's this building here. With a green marquee. Yeah. Woo!
Hey Bear!
Yes!
Where are we?
Gozo!
There's the Blue Lagoon! It's cool!
I know, I think we were meant to come up this scenic route, but we missed the turn.
Yeah. Alright, head up.
But we made it. And there's a big church. That's where the ferry came in. Let that car go.
Yep.
The view here is amazing. It's clear.
right out the front.
Yeah.
See?
Yep.
And here.
Yep.
And here. And all of here. And all of that.
Yeah, alright. Where do you want to stop then?
I'm going to stop up here so we can sit and look out.
Oh yeah. That's someone coming here.
Yeah.
Oh, kitty cat. Was it a good first place to go to?
Good idea, Bear. Good idea.
Oh my god, look at these cacti. I'm gonna have some pictures.
It's pretty cool.
The shoes well.
Choose well.
A lot of trouble to get here.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. You ready, babe? You're coming into the shot now. Smile. Hi, babe. Where are you?
Malta!